Okay mga idol, good morning, may balita ako. She's one incident of CCTV footage and one accident of 30-year-old students of the driving for girls. It was accidentally is brutality. Incident of 23 injuries. 23 injuries. She's what you're thinking if I don't or CCTV footage of of Transman and Fortuner. Madadami sila mga ka-traffic sa San Juan La Union. San Juan La Union is incident is an accidentally of the CCTV footage. Madaming tao para iwasan yung lisensya kung para hindi iwasan yung lisensya kung saan makikita ng mga pulis dyan, makikita yung traffic police and then for your information. Thank you guys.